on the decks. Please stay tuned. I'll be back shortly with some more updates.
In 12916. Let's see. It's really close. Oh, yeah. Oh, it does have one. Okay. So we put the key card here. We can swap it out for another one. Oh, did you see how dark it was though?
Nice.
So we should be able to sleep good. It smells kind of funny. I'll have to get out my air purifier. Okay, so we'll do a room tour. We're in 12916. This is kind of cool. They've got buttons in the ship where you can put like, all right, do not disturb. And then the sign on the outside will light up and let your room attendant know that someone's in here. And when you want your roommate up, you just hit that button. So that's really neat. We're really close to the elevators. They do have the lights that are operated with putting in like a key card. So we'll probably get an old card out from a previous ship I've sailed on so that we can keep the air conditioning going. Here's the bathroom. It's nice and big. You got some shelving. What's underneath here? Okay, that's nice. Good storage. There's the trash can, tissues. I'm trying to get out of the shot. Hand soap. I really like this shower. This is a nice big shower. It's really nice. Especially when you're 6'1" like I am. It's your bed. It can be split apart into two twins, so we'll probably have them split our beds. And then a full-length mirror. The closet, the safe. Again, we've got tons of storage in here. The other side, lots of hangers. Here's a pro tip. Lay the hangers down on the floor whenever you're sailing if you don't have clothing hanging on them, because they will rock and rattle at night and keep you awake if you're a light sleeper like I am. Just the lamps. Let's see. I'll turn them on this side. They do have a USB on this side. A reading light, which is nice. You can spin that how you want it. Turn it off. Nice little shelf. I think there's the same, yeah. So a USB on the side of that lamp, the reading light, and more shelving on this side of the bed. Here's the nice sofa. TV. This room has the most storage I think I've ever seen for a cruise ship. This is crazy. The cooler. There's the hair dryer. Waters. Nice big mirror. And then this is the reason I booked this room. Look at this nice big balcony. We're on a bump out. There's Lauren. So we're right at the corner of a bump out. You can see it sticking out on that side. And then over there, you've got a ton of space on this balcony. Again, it's room 12916. It's right on the corner. It's a bump out. But I didn't have to pay any extra for the bigger balcony, which was nice. That's why I booked it. There are some of the outlets underneath the mirror for the vanity. Norwegian knows how to treat their travel agents, that's for sure. 6-pack of waters and some strawberries dipped in chocolate. Norwegian gets bonus points. They have liquid hand soap. If you know, you know.